fastest way to make $5 if your life freaking depended on it. What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis Jr. here with EricEllisJr.com, and in this video we're simply going to go ahead and show you guys how to make $5 over and over and over again, and more importantly, how you can make way more than $5. $5, $30, $50, $100, it does not matter. We're going to go ahead and teach you guys how to make that fairly quickly, right? And how you can actually create this into a long-term sustainable business. Not even stopping at $5, but that's just the bare minimum. How you guys can make a ridiculous amount of money online within this video, right? But before we get into the content, who am I? My name is Eric Ellis Jr., serial digital entrepreneur, and my sole objective is to create content to give you ideas to teach you how to walk away from the 9-to-5 corporate slavery rat race, how to make money online so you have a life of time, location, and financial freedom, no more answering for a boss, etc. Right? So if you like that type of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell right freaking now to join the Wolves Entourage, to join the family. And number two, if you guys want to know my number one recommendation to make money online, it'll actually be the first link in the description. So with that being said, let's step behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now what I'm going to go ahead and introduce you guys to is Fiverr, right? Now before I actually get into Fiverr and what it is and how you can make money doing it, right? Just a quick backstory. When I first started online business and online marketing, right? There's one thing, guys, it takes money to make money, right? And if you're not making any money, right? People are always trying to start a business, but they really don't have the capital to start, right? Within affiliate marketing, yes, you can do the long approach like creating a YouTube channel or anything of that nature, a blog, but that takes time, right? And guys, if you want to scale a business online very quickly, or if you want to make real money online, I'm not talking about like $5, $100, or a couple $100 a week, but I'm talking about thousands of dollars per week on autopilot. You need to learn how to raise capital. And the best way to raise capital is creating a service-based business. If I was to ever start from scratch, I would completely start from creating a service-based business, right? And I would do something that requires not too much skill, right? Something that's fairly easy, that is easy to find clients because people don't want to do this, they want to outsource it, and you go ahead and secure those clients and you generate an income, right? So we're going to go ahead and cover how we can actually leverage Fiverr as a platform to actually create a service-based income. So that way, if you want to invest into something that I'm promoting, or even just start your own business or sell products or e-commerce or affiliate marketing, right, you can do that eventually, and you can really live a life of freedom, right? But what is Fiverr? First and foremost, Fiverr is simply a middleman for people who are looking for specific services and freelancers who are trying to find work from different clients within their respective niche. Now, first, before I go into the actual, well, actually, no, we're gonna go this way, right? I'm gonna save the best for last. We're gonna show you guys how you get paid, how much money you guys can make, how much it costs to start, if anything. I'm gonna go ahead and answer all those questions to show you how you guys can literally get started today, right? So, if you guys look right here, first and foremost, what are some of the jobs that you guys can actually do, right? Because you're probably thinking, okay, what skills do I have that I might be able to do to make money, right? So they have graphic design. Now, in graphic design, there's a whole bunch of stuff. There's photo editing, logo design, flyer brochures, book and album covers, vector tracing, like the list goes on. You do your due diligence and you figure out within graphic design, if you have any graphic design skills, right? What if you can make money doing so, right? Next, digital marketing, right? This is where I come in. If you're a savage digital marketer, right, you can make a lot of money, right? Sometimes business might be slow. You might be able to help somebody else grow their business, right? So there's things like advertisement and e-commerce marketing and email marketing, right? I might actually bring somebody on board to do email marketing. So I might search for somebody who does that, right? To write my emails, right? When people start making money, the objective is to outsource that work for somebody to help them grow your business, right? So there's two sides to that party. The person who's actually making the payment and the person who's receiving it. You could be on that receiving end, helping somebody, and at the same breath, right, you're getting paid to do so. And video writing and translations. I'm not gonna go through all these things, but there's so many things: video animation, music, audio, programming tech, business. And if I really wanted to search something, right? If let's just say I was looking for a YouTube video editor, I could go to YouTube Manager or something like that, right? YouTube Manager, boom, I search for it. And once I search for that job, there's gonna be a series of people who actually do this job. And what I can do is I can go ahead and look for them, right? And guys, look at this person. This guy literally starts at $480. This person starts at $100. This person starts at $20, right? So the minimum that you can get paid, the minimum that you can make per job is literally $5. And how this works is you literally go ahead and become an authority within the space, right? The more successful jobs that you do, right, the more good ratings you get, and it's gonna go ahead and bump you guys up. And the higher your rating, the more people give you good reviews, the more you actually do really good jobs for people, the more you're gonna go and get referred and the more money you're gonna make, right? And you're probably asking, how do I make money on this, right? So there's a whole bunch of jobs. I'm not gonna go into all the jobs. Do your due diligence, go to Fiverr.com. And I'll actually leave it as the second link in the description to get access to Fiverr, my specific link. But check this out. So if you want to go ahead and actually entertain this, you're going to go ahead and click become a seller. So after you click the second link below, you're going to press become a seller, right? And then what you're going to do is let's take a look into this. So what do I got to do? It's very simple. It's a big green button that says become a seller. Now, projects completed. They've literally paid $25 million in projects, right? Price range anywhere from $5 minimum to $10,000, right? Now, we're not even gonna look into this bullcrap, right? How does it work, right? You create a gig, you deliver the work, you get paid. It's 3 simple steps. Create a gig, and somebody finds you for that gig. You go ahead and they hire you, right, for your specific amount, and then you deliver great work, you get paid. Next, now how can you sell, right? Be creative. There are over 100 categories, so just be creative, guys. How much money can you make, right? So it's totally up to you how much you want to make, right? You go ahead and choose how much you want to get paid. But I would highly recommend looking at what other people are charging so that way you can actually compete. Now, if you deliver great quality work, right, go ahead and double the price, right? Many people literally quit their 9-to-5 job from Fiverr. Now, how much does it cost? You're probably saying, okay, where's the catch, right? How much do I gotta pay? You actually don't gotta pay a freaking dime. You can start this for free, and all you do is you keep 80%, right? So they take their cut of 20% of the job, and you get paid the rest. Pretty awesome, right? And next is how much time do I need to invest, right? It's very flexible, guys. You can literally do this part-time. You can do this full-time. You can do this for extra work, whatever works best for you guys, right? You create your schedule, right? It'll get you in the habit of being your own boss, right? Instead of working for a boss, you go ahead and work for yourself. Now, how do I price my service? Right, anywhere from $5 to $1,000. Now you go ahead and give your price. What's pretty cool is that there's 3 separate prices, so you have the opportunity to upsell, and I'll explain what that means in a second. And how do you get paid? It's very simple. As soon as you complete the order, right? Instead of chasing people like other service-based businesses, because they're managing everything, as soon as the job is complete, you're gonna go ahead and get paid instantly. And then you simply go ahead and press get started. Boom, you get started. Now, just to show you guys what's pretty awesome is let's just say I was to go ahead and pick somebody. What's pretty cool is this guy's starting at $5 for background removal. Guys, you know how easy it is to go ahead and remove a background on an image? You simply go ahead and click the magic eraser on Photoshop, and this guy's charging $20. I'm gonna show you guys really quick, just so you guys see what type of bullcrap. Let me quick show you how creative you guys can get with this. Perfect. We'll use this ring. So save image as ring. Now guys, look how much this guy is charging for this. He's charging $20. $20. So if I go to ring and I open it with Photoshop, let's see how long this takes me, guys. Right? I didn't even expect to do this, but I just want to show you guys. Look, so magic eraser, boom, boom. I just made $20, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and save. I'm gonna save it as a Photoshop, and I'm gonna go ahead and save it as a JPEG or a PNG. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and, it literally took me how many seconds? 2 seconds? Cool. It took me 2 seconds, and I just made $20 in 2 seconds. That simple. And for basic, you just find different ways to customize it. I could even made $5 in 2 seconds. Premium, I can make whatever 3 revisions, right? So if you want to make different revisions, right? So that's just showing you how creative you guys can get with Fiverr, right? People who don't know how to do this is like, oh my God, I need to get my background removed ASAP. This person has done 992 jobs, right? Let's do the math. That's about 1,000 jobs at $20 per job. This guy is very smart. He's literally made $20,000 simply by doing these easy jobs, right? So with that being said, get creative, figure out a job, go ahead and make a post, deliver results, rinse and repeat, make $5, make $50, make $20, whatever your pricing is, over and over and over again. And then once you go ahead and start building an income or a little side hustle, and you start building your rating, you start making more money, right? Then you want to go ahead and invest that business into something that provides you more leverage, like affiliate marketing, e-commerce, or something that you can actually scale with, like paid advertisement, and make a real deal money online, right? So with that being said, once you guys go ahead and do this and you guys start making money, right, then you guys can actually invest into some of my businesses, some of my programs to actually take your income to the next level. So if you guys like that video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, right? You guys I just showed you guys how fast I could do a job, and I would have literally made $20 in 2 seconds, right? So with that being said, give me a thumbs up, hit that notifications bell, hit that subscribers button, join the Wolves entourage, right? You are a wolf. Wolves are seeking, working for themselves, not working for a boss. We travel in packs, we all eat together, right? Join the freaking family. And I appreciate you guys so freaking much. As always, Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.